Welcome. This is how to check CPU temperature. So, first one is enter the BIOS or UEFI. So, restart your PC and press delete F2 or escape during boot. And now, once you have entered the BIOS, look for hardware monitor or PC health to see the live CPU temperature. Now, guys, you could also use the built-in tools. This is for Windows. So press Control Shift Escape, and from there you should be able to see the temperature. Or better, use Windows taskbar widgets if supported. Now you could also download monitoring software. You will have free tools like HW Monitor, Core Temp, or Open Hardware Monitor. And this application or software will show temperature for each CPU core in real time. And now on Mac, guys, if you are using an Apple, you could use apps like iStat Menus or Intel Power Gadget for live monitoring. There you go. See ya.